Hey guys, welcome to the Goy channel. Today I'll show you how to install Minecraft mods. First, you'll need any version of Minecraft, but it must be the Forge version. Next, let's find some mods. I'm looking for version 1, 12.2 mods. Go to any mod site, pick a mod, like furniture, and click download. Once it's downloaded, move it to the update folder. To find it, type %appdata% and press enter. Then go to .minecraft mods and drag the mod file there. If you don't have this folder, run Forge Minecraft once to create it. Now launch your Forge version of Minecraft. In the mods folder, you'll see the furniture mod we just added. Let's start the game. After loading a world, check your inventory. You'll see the mod is installed. That's all for now. This is Weiler signing off. See ya.